Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can stop people from taking your fruits on Grow a Garden. I know that you need Robux to actually harvest other people's plants, but sometimes people just do it for fun. So if you want to protect your plants, just go to the gear shop and talk. Select the show me the gear shop here. And if you scroll down, there's going to be one that is called the favorite tool. It says favorite your fruit to prevent collecting. It's for 20 uses. It'll also prevent yourself from collecting it from the tree if you want it to look like as good as this. This is not my farm, but you're just going to want to do that. I'm just going to look around here. It's super cute. Oh, it's gone. I wasn't even going to steal anything. I don't want to spend my Robux on this, but anyways, I guess that's where you can go. For instance, you don't want, like, you still want, what is happening? The fruits on your trees and you don't want to collect them, you can also do that. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.